Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Lexus key fob battery. Very common one, used for different years, different models, ES300, 350, GS350 and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so first we have to take the emergency key. I'm sure you know how to do it, but just in case, you see here the push. We push the button and we take the key right here. Okay, once again we push and take the key out. Now you can use a flathead. I prefer to use the key. As you can see, there is a slot right here, okay, this one. So I just insert the key and I turn clockwise. No need to apply a lot of pressure. Let me show you again. As I said, you can use a flathead. Make sure that it's just big enough. I use the key, I insert my key. Your key may look a little bit different, of course. I insert it and I turn clockwise. Now make sure we do it this side to take the cover off. Okay, as I said, CR2032, and I'll take a small flathead underneath and it comes out. This is a good battery, so I will use it again. I put it back in and I press, and as you can see, the red light, so it's all good. Now I just have to put the cover back, just like that, the emergency key, and we're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you're saying. Thank you.